In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a navigation menu on your Wix site. So if you're ready to enhance the usability of your website and guide visitors more seamlessly through your pages, you're in the right place. Adding a navigation menu is crucial for user experience, and it's incredibly easy to do on Wix. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First off, you need to access the Wix website editor. So go ahead and open your Wix account and navigate to the editor, which is essentially the back end of your website where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor for your particular site, what you'll want to do next is locate the Add button. This button is represented by a plus icon on the left hand toolbar of the screen. Clicking it will open up a world of options for elements you can add to your website. After clicking the plus icon, you will see a menu pop up. Look for the menu and anchor option since we need to add a new navigation menu. This section includes different types of menus and anchors you can include in your site. Once you click on menu and anchor, you'll be presented with several menu styles. For this video, we will focus on horizontal menus. They are typically found at the top of a page and are a staple in most web designs for their clean, straightforward navigation. Click on horizontal menus to see the variety of choices Wix offers. Browse these healthy options and select the template that fits best with your site's look and feel. Don't rush this decision. Your menu should complement your existing design and keep everything cohesive. After you pick your preferred menu template, it will be added to your page where you can further customize its appearance and links. To adjust the menu settings and manage the menu items, you need to click on the Manage Menu option. Here you can see all your different site pages, and this is where you can decide which pages or items will appear in your navigation. Let's add a bit more customization to this menu. Locate and click on the settings icon. This will open up more configuration options where you can personalize your menu's function and appearance even more, ensuring it's exactly what you had in mind. For those of you who want to dive a little deeper into customization, you might want to explore the advanced settings. By selecting Set as Advanced, you can go beyond the basic design and perhaps add features like drop-down menus or adjust animations, providing a more dynamic user experience. And there you go, that's the process to add a navigation menu on your Wix site. Simple, right? Through these steps, you'll create intuitive navigation that helps guide visitors through your website, keeping them engaged and ensuring they find what they need as smoothly as possible. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.